Hi, my name is Amanda, and today I will be teaching how to distinguish different types of triangles. Now, there are two ways that you can distinguish triangles. One is based on angles, and one is based on sides. So today we're going to start off with the sides. So, when you have a triangle where all sides are different measurements, that's called a scalene triangle. Scalene triangles have all different sides. When you have a triangle that has two sides that are the same length, it's called an isosceles triangle. An easy way to remember this is isosceles, you have two eyes, so two sides are the same length. Isosceles triangle. The next triangle, all the sides are the same length. This is called an equilateral triangle. You can remember this because the word equal is already in its name. So you know all the sides of this triangle have to be equal. Now, for labeling triangles based on their angles, you have to know what the angles are. So I have a question for the class. Can anybody tell me what an acute angle is? Anybody? An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. So an acute triangle, this is the very special type. All angles must be acute angles in order to be considered an acute triangle. So all angles have to be less than 90 degrees, and that's an acute triangle. It also looks similar to an equilateral triangle, but there can be an acute scalene triangle, there could be an acute isosceles triangle, as long as all the sides, all the angles are equal. Now, does anybody know what a right angle is? Yeah? Johnny? 90 degrees. That's right. And a right angle is 90 degrees. So a right triangle is a triangle that has a 90-degree angle. Right triangles could be isosceles or scalene, it doesn't really matter. Does anybody know what an obtuse angle is? An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. So an obtuse triangle is in a triangle that contains one angle larger than 90 degrees. So what kind of triangle, so if we would like to label this triangle based on sides instead of angles, what would this triangle be? Miriam? I think it's an isosceles. Well, let's rethink that. Let's see. Let's look at the side lengths, right? So in an isosceles triangle, how many sides are the same? Remember, think about your eyes. 2. So do you see that in this triangle, any of the sides are the same? No. So then this can't be an isosceles triangle. What kind of triangle is it? Oh, it's a scalene triangle. Yeah, very good. It's a scalene triangle. But it's also an obtuse triangle because of its angle. So that comes to the complicated part. Now that we know how to distinguish triangles based on side length and angles, we have to do it together, right? So, can anybody tell me what this type of triangle is? A right triangle. Who said that? Next time, raise your hand. Yes, this is a right triangle. So now, can somebody tell me what kind of triangle this is based on sides? A scalene. Very good. Thank you for watching.